It might be something you have never ever thought about. And that's an easy way to remember the days of the week. I giorni della settimana. Ciao amici! Benvenuti o bentornati sul mio canale Learn Italian with Carmen J. Sigla! In order to remember new words in a new language, it's very important to associate the words to images. In the case of the days of the week, you can either memorize them or you can learn them in a logical way. Did you know that the name of the Italian weekdays come from the name of the solar system planets? Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. Lunedì comes from luna, the moon. That's in plural, lune. You remember the feminine plural? Lune, luna, lune. Next to lune, we place di, which is a synonym of the word giorno, day. It's, let's say, more formal way to say giorno. Di. Lune. Di. Lunedì. Marte. Marte plus di. Martedì. Mercoledì. Mercoledì comes from Mercurio. In this case, it changes slightly. So just remember Mercurio, the way it starts. Mercurio, merc. Oledì. Giovedì comes from Giove. Giove plus di, giovedì. Venerdì. Venere. Vener, we take off the e, di, venerdì. Now, Sabato comes from the planet Saturno. In English it's the same, it's Saturday, is the day of Saturn. But in Italian it's Sabato. Domenica, it doesn't refer to any of the planets. Domenica etymologically means il giorno del Signore. Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì, giovedì, venerdì, sabato, domenica. So from lunedì to Sabato in Italian are the weekdays that we call giorni feriali. La domenica is the giorno festivo, and we also call Sabato and Domenica the weekend, il weekend. From lunedì to Sabato, those words are masculine words. In fact, we use the article il. Il lunedì, il martedì, il mercoledì, il sabato. And from lunedì to venerdì, the plural doesn't change. So, i lunedì, i martedì, i venerdì. But the plural changes for the sabato. I sabati. Io vado in palestra ogni lunedì. I go to the gym every Mondays. Even though the gyms are closed now. Vado al corso tutti i sabati. I go to the course every Saturday. So when I use ogni, the word sabato is in singular and it doesn't need the article. Ogni sabato. When I use tutti, the word sabato is in plural and it needs the article. Tutti i sabati. Domenica is the only feminine day of the week. La domenica. So in plural it will be le domeniche. Vado al mare ogni domenica. Vado a mangiare fuori tutte le domeniche. I go out to eat every Sunday. This is all. I hope in this way you will remember the days of the week in a more logical way. Leave a comment below if you have any doubts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, obviously if you liked the video, otherwise no, don't subscribe. And I also have an Instagram page under this account where I post on a daily basis new words, exercises to practice the Italian language, and where I will be really active and prompt to respond to every messages or any, if you are contacting me directly, I will reply straight away. Grazie mille, ciao!